Hey, let's try and learn this Sucker Mommy song. It's a difficult song. It's advanced. Advanced chords. This is a minor 9 chord. And then it just repeats. And there's a little part where it walks down from G to E minor 7. To D major 7. So a lot of jazz chords in this song, a lot of advanced kind of jazzy chords. All right, D minor 7 is place your index on the D string at the 5. You place your second finger on the 7 on the A, and then your ring and your pinky go on the 7 on the G and B. And then just move your second finger to the low E string. That's the second chord. That's some kind of funky major 7 chord. And then you slide up to the 10th fret, but move your ring finger down to the B string, and then your index is going to play the G and the D. And your second is going to play the low E. And then your pinky's going to hammer on to the G string. And then it repeats. And then from that chord, this is some kind of D chord. Then we go, there's like a bridge, or I don't know what you call it. It goes G. This is like the G string on the 10th fret, and this is the 3rd. And then I keep this finger on that B string. And then we walk that down. So we're on the 9th fret on the A string. And then we go to a D minor 7. No, E minor 7 on the 7th fret. Okay, that repeats. Then it ends up on a D major 7. And then it goes back to the start with a D minor 9th. So you see, Sucker Mommy, she has full command of harmony and chords. All right, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.